Do you think you are a good listener? If you think you are a good listener, let me break that myth down. Welcome to Mind Healing with Bhavish. एक छोटी सी स्टोरी मैं आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ. Back in 2010, I was in New Zealand for a project that I was doing. I was in IT back then. और हम एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए गए थे वहाँ पे. तो हम सारे लोग थे जो ट्रैवल कर रहे थे. We used to stay in a same motel where it was very close to the office, so it was like walkable distance. तो वहाँ मेरी दोस्ती एक किसी से हुई. उनका नाम आनंद था. आनंद है. मैं काफ़ी सालों से उनके टच में नहीं हूँ, बट आई नो दैट ही वॉज मोर इवॉल्व्ड देन मी, एंड आई यूज्ड टू लिसन टू हिम ऑल द टाइम on spiritual topics. So every day we used to go to work, and then when we used to come back in the evenings, मेरे रूम में हम लोग बैठते थे और I used to make chai, and then Anand ji used to speak about whatever his thought was around spirituality, around Shiva. और बैकग्राउंड में हम लोग लैपटॉप पे एक शिव धुनी या कोई ऐसा म्यूज़िक चला देते थे जिससे थोड़ा सूदिंग एनवायरनमेंट हो जाए, थोड़ा पीसफुल एनवायरनमेंट हो जाए. एंड every single day it used to be that अगर आनंद जी ये सुन रहे हो तो I think that would be a great thing. I'm not sure where exactly he is, but so every single day they came a point where suddenly Anand ji would tell me, Bhavish, ये म्यूज़िक बंद कर दो. And I used to be surprised, like अच्छा तो चल रहा है, पीसफुल तो हो रहा है, मज़ा भी आ रहा है. And then sometimes he would say, Bhavish, अब कुछ बोलो मत, चुप हो जाओ. And obviously I had nothing else to add to it, so I used to shut myself down. ठीक है. And then sometimes he would just say it's time, and he used to go into his room for further meditation. मुझे कई महीने लग गए ये चीज़ को समझने में कि exactly हो क्या रहा है ऐसा. Why does he do like that? But जब अच्छी किसी बात हो रही है, spiritual बात हो रही है, why would he want to leave it in between? Now the kind of philosophy that I'm part of today in my coaching business, what I do with people, and some of my seniors whom I get inspired from, whom I look up to, some of the mystics and sages are also included. Every time you would go for a retreat with them, and you would have paid for the whole day, for 3-4 days, 5 days, whatever, and in the middle of the day they would just all of a sudden stop and they say कि आज के लिए हो गया, now let's catch up tomorrow. And now this could be surprising to a lot of people that, you know, मैंने तो पूरे दिन के लिए पे किया है, why would he finish the session at maybe 12 or 2 in the afternoon, बाकी का दिन का waste हो गया, you know, और मतलब I need knowledge and all that stuff. So after many months I realized, and today I realize even more, that the whole in this search or pursuit, the whole idea is not learning more. It is to get to a state of pure wisdom, of silence. अब उस स्टेट पे जब आप पहुंच जाते हो, there is no more need for you to say anything more. And even a word after that sounds like noise, because there is so much peace and tranquility that every person who is there, somehow you know, and they all know that there is this peace that they are feeling. They are connected to their higher self, their own self. And now there is no need for anything else to come in. It is not that इसके बाद अगर कुछ और होगा तो that will make us feel more whole. You are not feeling like a part anymore. You are feeling completeness in itself. You feel satisfied, satiated and full. और उस मोमेंट पे रुक जाना appropriate होता है. Now, today I understand that why Anand ji used to do that. क्योंकि that is the time when he feels that अब मैं एक elevated state पे पहुंच गया हूं. अब मुझे आगे की अपनी जर्नी अपने रूम में जाके मेडिटेट करके करनी है. this is something that we look up to, we aspire, we go to different places to find that feeling for some time. आपने नोट किया होगा जब आप कभी ड्राइव कर रहे हो और एक बहुत ही सूदिंग सा म्यूज़िक चल रहा हो, मे बी ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूज़िक हो, 70s के कुछ सॉन्ग्स होते हैं, whatever you feel aligned with, that music takes you somewhere, and suddenly there comes a point when there is no thought, there is no need for a thought, there is no need for words. I have felt it many a times when I'm driving, I'm listening to something, maybe a podcast or maybe even music, and I feel like जैसे हमारे के साथ होता है ना कि हम म्यूज़िक सुनते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि मैं भी उसके साथ में maybe I should sing along with it. But there comes a point when you don't want to even sing along with it. And there also comes a point when you want to shut that music off. Because you feel, अब मुझे वहाँ पहुँच गया हूँ मैं. अब anything I hear or do would be only a hindrance, would only be noise, would only be disturbance. And we don't want that disturbance. We want to feel that oneness, that place of tranquility, the place where we finally connect with our own self. That is the place of true wisdom. In fact, that is the place we all aspire to be at every point in our life. जितना भी आप ये बाहर देख रहे हो ना, जो हम खुशियों के लिए करते हैं चीज़ें, we go to clubs, we drink, we meet up with people, we do shopping, all of that is trying to complete us. All of whatever we are trying to do. किसी तरह से वो completeness वाली feeling महसूस हो जाए बस एक बार. But sometimes it is very important that if you can, if your situation allows, give yourself time to sit with yourself. पहले तो बहुत disturbance होगी, पहले आपके ख्याल आपको बहुत परेशान करेंगे, but eventually there would be a time when these thoughts will fade away and you will feel that calm, that peace. If you can get to touch that feeling, if you can get to experience that feeling, try to drown in that feeling for as long as you can. उसमें जितनी देर आप डूबे रह सकते हो, कोशिश करना उतनी देर डूबे रहना. अच्छा, ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे let's say if you're trying to solve something in your life, maybe आपको कुछ सवालों के जवाब चाहिए, कुछ भी ऐसा चाहिए, this is the place. And do not anticipate, do not expect कि कुछ होने वाला है, but when even that expectation वाली thought भी नहीं है, this is the moment when something will emerge. That solution, that answer, that quest that you were having to resolve something, वो विजडम की एक हल्की सी जो भीनी आवाज़ है. भगवद गीता में भी जैसे भगवान ने कहा है कि मैं एक हल्की सी आवाज़ हूँ जो आपको हर काम से पहले सुनाई देती हूँ और आप अपनी नॉइज से उसको दबा देते हो. This is the place where you finally would be able to hear that voice inside you. And trust me, this voice will set you free. This voice, this place would be very subtle. इतने से सेंटेंस के अंदर आपको पूरे यूनिवर्स का क्रक्स समझ में आ जाएगा. But you have to get to that state. Now, the most important part for most of us to understand and listen to is we continue to, and I've been there, I have done it myself. Sometimes जाने अनजाने में फिर से ऐसा करता हूँ. We go through all these books and scriptures and meeting up people, trying to understand things. कुछ लोग मेरे पास भी आते हैं, you go to coaches, therapists, trying to find solutions, trying to find answers. But true wisdom lies within you. True answer is within you. Now, as a coach, I'll tell you something that I have been doing from past few years is, sometimes it is important that one gives you techniques and tricks of how to cope up with, let's say, anxiety, overthinking, whatever that is. But my main job is to help you, is to facilitate you to get to that state. Because answers तो आप ही के अंदर है, but you don't have the access to it. And if I take that credit कि मैंने आपको बताया, that would be wrong. The answer is within you. But because you cannot get there, people like myself and others are only trying to help you get there. We are just accompanying you through this journey to get you to a place of treasure, of knowledge. But if I were to take that credit, it would be wrong. True wisdom, true beauty, true knowledge, everything, the whole treasure, जितना खजाना है इस यूनिवर्स का, that is inside you. That is inside you. आप मेरे पास आओ या ना हो, doesn't matter. अगर आप अपनी उस जगह पे पहुंच सकते हो खुद भी, there is nothing better than that. But that is the place that sets you free. So try to get to that level. Try to dive deep into that feeling, into that experience. कई बार ऐसा होता है, अभी थोड़े दिन पहले कुछ ऐसा भी हुआ कि we were like few of us who were having lunch, और लंच के बाद हम लोग ऐसे चिट चैट बातें चल रही थी और काफ़ी देर तक वो बातें चलती रही. We were all super excited about the topics that we were discussing: philosophy, sociology, psychology, spirituality. दो लोग ऐसे थे, मैं और एक और कोई थे, जिनके हमारे गुरु के बारे में कुछ बातचीत शुरू हो गई, which made it much more interesting for us. And then we were discussing about our families, or I could sense very clearly, I'm not sure if they did or not, but everybody was vibrating on the same frequency. It was so much of alignment. और कोई होल्ड नहीं कर रहा था इन्फॉर्मेशन कि मैं अपनी फैमिली के बारे में ये नहीं बताऊं या ये बताऊं, या अपने दिल की बात, अपनी वल्नरेबिलिटी को बताऊं या नहीं बताऊं. Everybody was very open. It was not the feeling of exposure. और वो चलता रहा. It came to a peak. बातों का, वो पैशनेट बातों का, वो डीप बातों का एक लेवल पहुंच गया. And then finally there came a point when all of us suddenly and all together we went silent. Nobody after that 1 second spoke for a good amount of time, let's say a minute or two. Now अगर बहुत कंटिन्यूसली ये बातें चलती जा रही हो और अचानक 2 मिनट का ब्रेक हो जाए, तो इट कुड बी ऑकवर्ड. नो, नोबडी स्पीकिंग एनीथिंग. सारी बातें खत्म हो गई या बोर हो गए. बट दैट वाज नॉट द केस. एवरीबडी वाज फीलिंग दैट दे डोंट वांट टू डिस्टर्ब. कभी कभार ऐसी फीलिंग आती है. आई पॉइंटेड आउट आफ्टर सम टाइम दैट दिस इज अ फीलिंग वी डू नॉट वांट टू लेट गो ऑफ. This is the most important feeling. It was the highest high. अल्कोहल का नशा इतना नहीं आपको फील होगा. उस ट्रैंक्विलिटी को, एक्चुअली देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन, बट उस ट्रैंक्विलिटी का कंपैरिजन किसी भी चीज से नहीं है. Now, I understand that today society, work culture does not allow us to move into this direction. There's so much of fierce competition, so much of aspirations. EMIs भरनी है, success पाना है, सब कुछ करना है. It is not easy to think on these lines. Yesterday also I was just chit-chatting with somebody and somebody mentioned, अच्छी लगती हैं ये बातें लेकिन कर नहीं सकते. एक, कोई सुनने के लिए राजी नहीं है, और दूसरा डर लगता है कि कहीं इस डायरेक्शन में चले गए तो वो सब छोड़ना पड़ेगा. बट नहीं छोड़ना पड़ेगा. You do that on the external side of you, on the outside. But every now and then, and every successful person does that for their own sanity, to go deep within, even if for some time. इतने chaotic environment, इतने stressful environment में, this is quite a mandate. It is survival. It is non-negotiable. Go into that feeling, and trust me, you'll thank. Don't thank me, thank the universe who's providing you with that. थोड़ी लंबी बात हो गई. I think इतना ज़्यादा expect भी नहीं किया था. Either ways, thank you so much for joining, and this is Bhavish Ahuja from Mind Healing with Bhavish. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay healthy, and catch hold of that wisdom if you can. Thank you for joining in. Take care. Bye-bye.